The electrical energy produced will be stored in the battery so that it can be used for electronic device and adjust to its electrical needs.
Palm fiber, this one material is in addition because it is good for filtering smoke. That is, I will make a device that can absorb air pollution.
We have successfully met the objectives of the study.
Assalamualaikum. These are some examples of natural resources of water.
That way, these grow together, honey. Thank you. See you again.
All teachers and students submit their creative works online. And the Best Maker Award, Best Display Award, and Best Team Award will be selected by the method of public voting, 20%, plus final expert evaluation, 80%. Through hands-on practice, theoretical study, and teamwork, students have greatly improved their understanding and practical ability in technological.
Cambodia 运充气有 so can mark 4 4 3 2 1
The 5th Belt and Road Teenager Maker Camp and Teacher Workshop Best Maker Award.
好，谢谢各位领导，请台下休息，谢谢。
Thank you very much. Please go back and get seated.
Science video. Low carbon and energy conservation.